The main benefit of using a semi-self-leveling sealant like Tremco 45 SSL is durable, flexible joint repair that follows slight slopes and maintains adhesion under movement. A semi-self-leveling sealant combines flowable consistency with enough body to stay put in shallow joints, so you can tool less yet still get a smooth surface that sheds water. For concrete expansion and control joints, choose a backer rod sized to leave the recommended depth to width ratio, generally 1/2 to 1/3. So the sealant bonds only to the sides and not the bottom. This prevents three-sided adhesion and reduces stress on the sealant. Clean the joint thoroughly of dust, loose concrete, and old sealant using a wire brush and compressed air if available, then use a solvent wipe where compatible to remove oils and contaminants. Apply primer only where manufacturer data specifies it, improves adhesion on porous substrates, and let the primer tack up fully before sealing. Tool lightly with a compatible finishing tool or a spoon dipped in soapy water to shape the bead and promote sidewall contact without squeezing out the backer rod. For best longevity, avoid joint widths below the product minimum and schedule sealing when ambient and substrate temperatures are in the manufacturer recommended window to control cure time and final modulus. Scott's real-world 2-year test demonstrates that proper prep and correct joint geometry result in long-term performance and less rework. So follow test conditions for best replication. Common mistakes are using the wrong depth to width ratio, which causes premature failure because of three-sided adhesion. Correct that by inserting a backer rod sized to achieve the recommended profile so the sealant bonds only to the sides. Another frequent issue is poor surface preparation that leads to adhesion loss. Fix this by mechanically cleaning the joint, removing all loose material, and using appropriate solvent wipes or primer where specified. The third problem is applying sealant at temperatures outside the product range, which affects flow and cure and can cause poor bead shape or reduced elasticity. Prevent this by checking substrate and ambient temperatures, delaying work if needed, and storing cartridges at recommended temperatures before use. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides tools for posting projects and comparing responses, so we help you find trade partners that match your needs. We also host a discussion community where we share field tips, product experiences, and installation questions, and we help contractors find work and engage with homeowners and peers.